There was a man in France who dreamed a way to teach, who left his life behind and followed Jesus' print. Within the Negro world of freedom, poverty, he spread a seed of hope, he lit a light of peace.
Une fraternité continue la mission, le guide avec la foi, et aide ceux qui souffrent. Avec celle-ci j'enseigne, les rameaux gagnent le cœur, et ont raison de croire qu'il peut changer la vie.
If he decided to take an option for the others, he wanted to be and learn together, preaching by example, always doing with his presence. We all learn from the Star Trek, we all walk through the Star Way. We share one heart, one commitment, one life to live with all the rest. One love, one life, one commitment, living our hearts forevermore.
Hoy vamos tras sus pies, nos une un corazón, sintiendo nuestra fe, viviendo nuestra unión.